Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE crew cab with the Blizzard Plow. Let me know what you think. We took in this 2011 GMC Sierra SLE 1500 crew cab with the Z71 4x4 package. Has 122,000 miles on the odometer. I personally took it in on trade. It is a one owner with a clean Carfax report. Traded for a new F-150. It's in excellent condition both inside and out, and runs great. It does come with this Blizzard Plow, and the previous owner used it to do his driveway and neighbors' driveways in his cul-de-sac. So the truck was well cared for and maintained. If you have any questions on this Sierra, please give me a call. My phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust here at Sarchione Ford. The interior of the Sierra is super clean. It has power windows, power locks, power mirrors, keyless entry, semi-power driver's seat. It is a bench up front, so it does seat 6. Auto headlamps. It does have a trailer brake controller as well. Bluetooth audio and cruise all on your steering wheel. Exact mileage is 122,602. It does have OnStar, AM/FM CD with XM radio, dual climate, so driver and passenger have their own temperatures, and your four-wheel drive is on the fly. Here's your controls for your Blizzard Plow, which everything works perfectly. Power adjustable pedals as well. Tons of room in the back seats for 3. A little center console that folds down, and the seats fold up for storage. If you have any questions on this truck, please give me a call. Again, phone number is 330-510-9613.